Guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to shoot a quick video on how to change your cabin air filter in a 4th gen Ram 1500. Okay, so what I've went and done is I've ordered a kit from Geno's Garage. So this is it, and I'll just show you what comes in the kit. So we'll crack it open. Some nice paper. Oh, some candies. I like candy. Cool. Some little treats. More treats. Little key ring. So we have our Mopar filter door. Show you guys what that looks like. So it's going to be one of these. Now the part number on this I have is 6805-2292-AA-001, just in case you guys want to order it separately. And we have our brand new cabin air filter. Oh yeah, beauty. Okay. Oh, and even threw in a nice Cummins decal. Not that I have a Cummins, but yeah, it's a cool sticker. Alright guys, so this shouldn't be too bad. Let's walk you through the process. Okay guys, so all I think you really need for this job is going to be a really good clean box cutter. I just went and installed a brand new blade on that. So once you have your new blade, your filter door, your cabin air filter, let's get this box out of the way. So on my model, once you lower it, just pinch the sides and all your stuff will fall out. But then it just removes nice and easy. And I'll show you what we have to cut out. So if we get underneath here, got this cut out here. Oh, up here. So we're going to cut a straight line all the way across that. Now I've seen other guys cut down here, but I don't think it's necessary. We just have to fit the filter in. So I'm just going to cut a nice big square as best I can, and then we'll see how that looks. Okay guys, so about 5 minutes in, I'm almost there. As you can tell, I have it mostly cut out. A little bit of struggling, a few curse words, just because it's a bit of an awkward spot to get a knife in. I'm just going to clean up this little tiny lip right here, and then the filter should slip right in. So let's get that done. Alright guys, one more thing. I do recommend wearing gloves of some kind, just because you are working with sharp objects. But beyond that, so we have it all cleared out. We have the filter almost installed, but I did want to point out that on the filter there are arrows. So that's the direction of airflow, and you can match that up with the new filter door because it is going to be installed that way. So airflow down, airflow down. We'll go ahead and we'll put this in, we'll latch it in place. Alright, so once you have your filter in position, we'll just get the door up in there. Alright, so pardon my struggling, but as I was installing the door, I didn't really hear a click on either side, so I just had to kind of wrestle with it, and I bent the clips on the door in, and it seemed to lock in place. Now, I can't pull it off, but I didn't hear that satisfactory click. But as long as like it's solid, it's not coming off, I'm happy with that. So there, quick. I think it took me 10 minutes total. That's how to change your cabin air filter in a 4th gen Ram 1500. Thanks guys. If you like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. Thanks. Bye for now.